Hi everyone, welcome to Provincial Chrysler. Today we're going to be checking out a package that was done by our parts department here. It includes a rim and tire package that includes fuel, ammo rims, 18-inch, with Falken Wildpeak AT3 tires, 305 65 18, and a Mopar 2-inch lift kit with steering stabilizers and alignment. If you're looking to upgrade and deck out your vehicle, check us out here at Provincial Chrysler's parts store. Your do-it-yourself or have us professionally installed place, whether you're looking for running boards, step bars, rims and tires, shocks, lift kits, stabilizers, you name it, we have it all here and in store. Come check us out, 1001 Provincial Road, or give us a call, 519-250-5500. Be glad to help you with your what you're looking for your vehicle. Have a great day.